Hi guys! Happy Mother's Day! Ayan guys, maglalaga po tayo ng buto-buto. Ayan guys, for the mothers, para lalakas po tayo. And because we are Ilocano, we are going to make a pinakbet. Ayan guys, saka konting sahog. Ayan guys, hintayin lang natin yung ibang yung ibang vegetable, yung ampalaya, yung sili, yung kamatis. Ayan guys, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy lang tayong mga mothers. Ayan, mamaya na yung pansit guys, at saka yung